of basketball, a champion on and off the court. Let's give a warm Manila welcome, Mr. Kyle Kuzma.
Wow, this is amazing. Thank you guys all for being here. This is truly an incredible moment. As I look here and stand in awe of all your guys' support, it's my second time in the Philippines in Manila, and my first time here, I really felt the love. I thought it was amazing. You know how much you guys care about basketball and care about me as well. I had to come back again, and when they came up with this opportunity to be in front of you guys and have this insane court, I couldn't turn down the offer to be here with you guys. So I wouldn't know what else to say because it's truly special and a great moment that I'll never ever forget. So thank you guys so much for being able to be here, coming to your guys' culture and country, and make me feel right at home. So thank you guys so much.
Thank you, Kyle Kuzma, for gracing us with your presence and inspiring the youth of Manila. Palakpakan natin ang ating mga masisipag na
Parang may ano na.
And lastly, our department heads. Okay, so for our department heads, let's take a photo opportunity in front. Our department heads. On a count of 3, sabay-sabay tayo mag-cheer ng Kuzma. Okay po ba yun? Ready? In 1, 2, 3, Kuzma! 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 Wow, how amazing is that? Let's give a huge round of applause for this beautiful mural. A true symbol of inspiration for the youth of Manila. generations of basketball enthusiasts here in Manila. Our program, Mr. Kyle Kuzma will be holding a basketball clinic with our kids, where he will personally share NBA star Kyle Kuzma.